What if one day you woke up and realized that you've spent years moving but never actually moving forward? Think about that for a minute. Every day you wake up, you go to work, you answer messages, you pay bills, you scroll through social media, you sleep, and then you do it all over again. A week becomes a month becomes a year, and before you know it, years of your life are gone. The scary part, most people don't even realize it's happening. They're not living intentionally. They're simply existing. Today we're going to talk about 7 signs that you may be wasting your life without even knowing it. And by the end of this video, you might see your life differently. The first sign is living for other people's approval. Many people spend their entire lives trying to impress others. They choose careers to impress family. They buy things to impress strangers. They post online hoping for validation. But here's the truth. No matter what you do, someone will always criticize you. Someone will always think you're not enough. Thousands of years ago, Krishna taught a powerful lesson. He explained that a wise person remains steady in both praise and criticism. Because the moment your happiness depends on other people, you lose control of your life. The second sign is constantly comparing yourself to others. Social media has made this worse than ever. You see someone buying a house, someone getting married, someone starting a business, someone becoming successful, and suddenly your own life feels smaller. But what you don't see are their struggles, their failures, their fears. Comparison steals joy every single time. The third sign is waiting for the perfect moment. Many dreams die because people keep waiting. Waiting for more money, waiting for more confidence, waiting for more experience. But the perfect moment never arrives. Successful people aren't fearless, they act despite fear. The fourth sign is avoiding discomfort. Most people want success, but very few want the pain required to achieve it. They want results without discipline. They want confidence without challenges. They want growth without sacrifice. But growth lives on the other side of discomfort. Every time you choose comfort over growth, you stay exactly where you are. The fifth sign is letting your mind control you. This may be the most dangerous sign of all. Most people don't control their thoughts. Their thoughts control them. One negative thought becomes 10 become 100. Fear becomes anxiety. Anxiety becomes paralysis. Krishna taught that the uncontrolled mind becomes a person's greatest enemy. And modern psychology says the exact same thing. Your mind can create a prison or it can create freedom. The choice depends on how you train it. The sixth sign is spending more time consuming than creating. Think about how many hours people spend scrolling, watching, liking, reacting, but never creating, never building, never learning, never producing anything meaningful. The people who change their lives aren't just consumers. They're creators. They create skills, they create value, they create opportunities. And finally, the seventh sign, living without purpose. A person without purpose is like a ship without a destination. It may keep moving, but it never truly arrives anywhere. Purpose doesn't mean having all the answers. It means knowing why you wake up every morning. It means having a reason to keep going when life becomes difficult. Most people aren't failing because they lack talent. They're failing because they lack direction. And direction changes everything. So ask yourself today, which of these signs applies to your life? Is it comparison, fear, comfort, validation, or a lack of purpose? Because awareness is the first step toward change. The moment you recognize what's holding you back, you can begin to move forward. Remember this. Your future is not created by what you do once. It's created by what you do every single day. One decision at a time. One habit at a time. One step at a time. And years from now, you'll either be grateful that you started today or you'll wish that you had. The choice is yours. Subscribe to The Facts Mind for more powerful lessons on success, mindset, and personal growth.